Welcome to Vlogmas. It is day 6 of Vlogmas, which means is December 5th, because I'm trying to work per day. I've got cats trying to get in this huge oven box over here that I need to break down today. It's about 8:30 in the morning. Had a nice walk. It was beautiful. We can actually see the sky today. It's been overcast. Of course, my nose is going to start running. It's been overcast for days and days and days, and there's actual like sky and sun today, so that will hopefully boost my mood. I was in a funk yesterday, not feeling great, so we'll see. Hopefully today's better. Hopefully I get my car back today. It's been in the shop since Thursday, Friday, something like that, and I need to go grocery shopping, so I've got a lot of things I gotta do. I think I'll probably get some chicken stock started from chicken, which means I've taken what we didn't eat of that chicken. I'll pull the viable meat off to freeze for soups and whatever later. And I will then throw the carcass and along with some veggies. Oh shoot, I don't have any onions. I don't know what to do about that. I've never made stock without onions in it. I do have some green onions, and I have those other things. I always get the words scallions, scallops, and what's the other one? It's the thing I can't think of. It's like an onion, but anyway, I have some of those in the fridge. Shallots. Shallots. For some reason, I get all those words mixed up. Anyway, let's open some Advents before I get away from myself. You'll see what I get up to today. So I have my Arteza Advent here, and so what did I say? It's the 5th. So I think I saw that one. Oh, it's up here in the corner, number 5. And let's see if I can get away without tearing it. Where does it have a little? There it is. Push in. There we go. Pull. I'm doing what I can to try not to tear these, but it's really hard. And I mean, I respect that they are using stuff that's not too thick, because, you know, I can recycle it or use it in my art or whatever. Ooh, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna pull the ribbon, see if I can get, well, I didn't. Okay, I pulled the ribbon, and it's a little watercolor pad. This is a 4x4, 16 sheets of watercolor paper. Ooh, it's very textured. Does it say what weight or anything? Heavyweight glue bound, 140 pounds. It doesn't say if it's like cold press or hot press. I don't know the difference between those anyway. It says it's ideal for watercolor techniques and mixed media. So perfect for me. The cats are gonna fight now. Okay, so that's pretty nice. I like that. All right, and then I have my Advent from Nina. Nina Fickett and I have done a mixed media swap where we created 24 gifts in 4 categories. You can go to my day 1 Vlogmas to hear more about that. Everybody's acting up. Y'all, I have two dogs. I have 2 cats and a dog, and a husband, and yeah, so my house is chaos all the time. You know, you don't need kids to have chaos. Anyway, she has put it in this neat little bag. This bag has got a really interesting texture to it. I think it's plastic of some kind. She does have a note on the tag here that says passing it on, enjoy white sprinkles. I'm not sure what that says. We'll see. Maybe it all will be made clear when I get this open. So I'm going to get this twisted off. She's got another one of these cute pine cones on the tag that is wired on. Okay, so let's see. Oh, it's inside the tissue. See this bag? It's like, I don't know if you can see how like see-through it is almost. It's such a neat texture. Okay, let's open this and we'll see. Ooh, it is. Does it say splatter? I think it says sprinkles. Nina will let me know. This is some Dilutions white ink spray. So I do love some good splatter and sprinkles and all of that. So that will be very fun to use. Thank you, Nina. All right, guys, I have not made my list for the day. I have started some laundry. Tuesdays are usually for me, and I've said this in other vlogs, but Tuesdays for me, I tend to do the laundry, go grocery shopping, get the trash in all the rooms of the house except for the kitchen, and then whatever else comes my way, and then maybe fit in some art. But I stay pretty busy on Tuesdays with the grocery shopping because that takes about half the day. I did not get my list made yesterday, so I got to get that done. And like I said, I want to get that carcass, that chicken carcass, into the crock pot. So, yeah, I'm gonna go really quick, make that list, and then get started. Let's get this Tuesday going. I'm in my office to make my list, and I totally just remembered I didn't tell y'all what I sent Nina today. So today I sent Nina, I told you there are 4 categories. One of them is like overstock or items from our stash. And what I sent her were a bunch of pipettes, and I can't remember how many, a bunch of them. So like the long eyedropper type things, so pipettes, and also some fine liners. Again, I don't remember how many. So just little bottles with a needle tip on it so that she can do like fine liner stuff. So things that, you know, I have plenty of, and so I sent on to her so she can enjoy as well. So I hope she does. All right, so I'm gonna get my list made so I can get on with this day. I keep feeling like I'm running behind, but it's not yet 9 o'clock, so I'm not, but I've still got to play catch up on a couple things. It's always something, right? Big sigh of relief. I just got my car back. So yeah, they called this morning and said that it was ready. So Pat and I just went and picked it up. He is going to pick up some lunch. Yeah, we're bad with lunches. Squeaky door. We're bad with lunches. I plan meals, and I keep stuff here. We have sandwich stuff, we have soup stuff, we have all kinds of stuff that, sorry about that I, have for lunch. We have leftovers, things like that, but we never seem to want the stuff we have in the house. So unfortunately, we tend to eat out more than we should. So anyway, so that is done. Pat suggested that thing that I broke yesterday for my overhead camera. He wants me before, because he's having trouble finding the file that he made it on. So he's having me glue it with some E6000 just to test that out. I've got it on a non-stick sheet, but it's sticking. So I think I'm gonna need 2 hands to do that. So it is, I don't know, can I put y'all here and you can see it? There, gluing here. So yeah, that's going on. And I've just about got the grocery list made. So after we have lunch, I can run to the grocery store. I don't know, the Instant Pot went off. Like the plug came loose while it was making the chicken stock. So, but it smells like chicken stock in here. It was bubbling when I opened it, so it should be fine. I'm just letting it cool right now before I put it in the fridge to cool, and then tomorrow I'll put it in jars for the freezer. So I'm hoping to get something done that is worthy of Vlogmas today, besides picking up my car and opening the advents, but we'll see. after 3 o'clock, and I just got, oh, that light is crazy. I may have to go somewhere else, but this is where I want to be. Let me turn, I'm going to close that blind. Okay, the light in here seems really funny, but I can't tell in this camera. I'm using my usual overhead camera, and I've got my phone here, which is what I have been recording on. Anyway, I need to share about Vlogmas for today, and kind of look over my bullet journal list. But I don't know where the day's gone. We went and got lunch and picked up my car, got lunch. I had lunch, immediately went to the grocery store, the farm market. You probably saw some footage from the farm market with this massive Brussels sprouts. Oh my gosh, and I do have tiny hands, but oh my gosh, how do you even eat something like that? I mean, yeah. Yeah, and now I'm home. I've put everything away, and that took me like half an hour to put the groceries away, divvy up the meat, and get the chicken stock in the fridge. I'm gonna let it cool, and tomorrow I will do what else needs to be done. So I'm trying to get a few things done. I was really hoping to maybe start getting things together. I don't know where the hours go. Maybe I don't know where the days go. Pat and I talked to him earlier today when we went to pick up my car, and told him I'm kind of freaking out that we don't have very many Christmas presents bought yet. And he said we'll have a good discussion this evening about what we're going to get everybody to do or whatnot. So I'm hoping that does take place. We may have to like limit our TV watching and maybe just play a game and have, you know, and talk and get that figured out while we're playing a game rather than vegging in front of a TV. But we'll see what happens. We'll see. Okay, I'm going to get this done. I'm going to stop chatting, try to get some work done. It is hot in here. I think it's just because I've been moving around and booking it. I'm going to try to cool down for a minute. It's almost time to take Zoe out for her afternoon business. Yeah. Okay. I think we're gonna go for a ride on our e-bike. So I went out and saw Pat while I had Zoe out and said, when do we get to ride our bikes? He was like, we can go now if you want. I was like, oh, gotta take my flip-flops off. So I've just changed my shoes, and I think we're gonna just ride up and down the street real quick so I can try out my new e-bike. I don't know that I can get video of that because I don't have all the attachments and things like that yet for it. So I'll see what I can do. I'm not good one-handed, especially on something I'm trying out new. So we'll see how things go. Have y'all balanced on something because I've got several things being repaired over here. I should go on an afternoon bike ride every day. That was only just like 15-20 minutes of us testing out the bikes, going down, basically taking the path we usually take in the morning for our walks, which is about 1.5 miles, you know, the route we take anyway. And that was fun. It gave me a little bit of energy. I got in. I worked on a Thrifty Thursday post, which should probably go up tomorrow, in addition to my Vlogmas post, so that's nice. I've got just a few minutes before my timer goes off. I'm pressing some tofu for dinner tonight. Pat and I talked to him about, maybe we should just play some Crokinole. Crokinole boards right there. Play some Crokinole and talk about Christmas this evening. And he was like, yeah, maybe have some. And the minute he said that, I was like, eggnog. And he was like, have some eggnog. And I was like, oh my gosh, we are on the same length. So yeah, I think we're gonna do a little Christmassy something. Maybe I can record that. I don't know. It's been so hard to get it up. So this video may be going up a little late because I'm staying up to try to get additional footage for y'all. But yeah, I'm hoping to get some, hopefully, Christmas planning done. I'm going to do a little more, as soon as the tofu and press it, I don't know if I should. It's basically you lay out a layer of paper towels or some kind of, you can use like tea towels or something, flour sack towels. Slice your tofu however you want it. I just do it in half. Put it down, put some more absorbent material, paper towels, napkins, tea towels, whatever on top, and then something heavy. I've got a big pot with a couple cast iron pots in it, and leave that for a little bit, and then I change it out after like 10-15 minutes. I change out the absorbent material and press it for another like 20 minutes, and then it is good to go. And I use extra firm tofu. I don't use firm or soft tofu. I only use it because I do it as a meat substitute and not as like, I don't tend to do it as like a hash or anything that's gonna be crumbled or chopped up or anything. So anyway, so that's pressing. I'm gonna make, it's another modern proper recipe. I've gotten obsessed with them. I go through phases with I'm also doing like 2 Pioneer Woman recipes this week too. So yeah. So anyway, I'm about to make dinner. Once I get, like I said, it's got to press a little bit more. I realized that because I made the chicken stock in the pressure cooker, the pot for that is in the washing machine, in the dishwasher, which won't be done for another hour and a half. So I'm gonna have to make rice the old-fashioned way. Like, I can do that. I remember how to do it. So, anyway, so basically I'm just doing a stir fry. Yeah, I'm talking long enough. I'm gonna go do some things and stop talking.